Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and opening settings now. Make sure your phone is unlocked and has at least 20% battery or is plugged in. This prevents interruptions. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or cellular so system options load faster, and check the current hotspot name to confirm change is needed. Then navigate to Settings and tap the section labeled Connections, Network, or directly Personal Hotspot, depending on your OS, to begin the renaming process. Follow the on-screen labels to reach the hotspot. You now focus on the hotspot configuration and the actual name field. Once in the Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot menu, look for Device Name, Hotspot Name, or an edit/pencil icon. Tap it to enable typing. When editing, type a clear, short name. Letters, numbers, and hyphens work reliably because some devices reject exotic symbols. After entering your chosen name, make sure to save or tap Done. This commits the change and updates broadcasts, so nearby devices will soon see the new identifier. You finish by confirming the change and testing connectivity. Save the new name, then toggle the hotspot off and back on to force a broadcast refresh. This helps client devices discover the update. Next, reconnect any laptops or tablets to the new SSID using your existing password. Make sure they forget the old network if they auto-connect. If the name still doesn't appear, reboot your phone, and if problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort, because that clears conflicts and usually resolves stubborn visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.